Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to install Python on Windows 11. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, visit python.org and download the latest version for Windows. Open the installer and check the box that says Add Python to Path. Then, click Install Now. After installation, open Command Prompt. Type this and press Enter to check if Python is installed. To test Python, open Notepad. Write this. Save it as hello.py on your desktop. Next, open Command Prompt and navigate to your desktop. Press Windows plus R, type cmd and press Enter. In the command prompt, type cd desktop. This command changes the directory to your desktop. Now, run the script by typing python hello.py. Press Enter and you'll see the message, Hello Python on Windows 11, printed on the screen. If you save the file somewhere else, note its location. You can navigate to it using the cd command in Command Prompt. And that's it. Python is installed and ready to use. Let me know if you want to explore more.